So menopause is normally 45 through 55, where you have not had a period for a year. You still have the same symptoms in perimenopause, but now you can no longer have kids because you don't have a period and your estrogen level is low, pretty much non-existent. So you can take hormone replacements to help with some of the symptoms that you're having. With me, I had surgical menopause, and surgical menopause is when your ovaries are taken due to a hysterectomy surgery. And at that point in time, you know how my doctor described it to me, like you driving on the freeway, hey, driving in my pink Cadillac, hey, right? And then you run into the back of a semi, bam. That's how your body feel when your ovaries are snatched out, because you don't go through the natural process like normal women, you know, where it's gradually over time, where your body adjusts and, you know, you have years to your body to get ready for this, right? But in surgical menopause, is you wake up, you roll into the hospital one way, you come out another way, and your body like, what the hell? What the hell going on? What? And so your symptoms is like from 0 to 1,000. And I listen, I can be hot one minute, cold the next, tingling, itching, you have vaginal dryness, like, oh my God, like, you know, the cookie normally be, you know, juicy. Now it's like, where the cactus at? You get what I'm saying? So at that point, it's like, surgical menopause is not fun. There's a lot of other issues that go with that, but I'll discuss that later on. When you have surgical menopause, you have no estrogen because your ovaries are gone, period. So you need to be on some kind of hormone replacement. Like, I didn't want to get on it. I fought against it for at least a year and a half, but I'm gonna make another video explaining that. So I am now taking estradiol, and I'll go in detail about that in another video because I don't want to make this video too long. And so the fourth and final stage is postmenopausal. Let me explain this to you. Y'all go say, what the hell they even make up this stuff for, right? Who made it up? I bet it was a man, because you don't need, it's called postmenopausal. You don't need premenopausal because, duh, if you ain't in menopause or perimenopause, and you don't need post because pretty much you are menopausal one day. Then after that day, you become postmenopausal the rest of your life, which is so stupid. So why would somebody make up postmenopausal? Because there's no difference between post and menopausal and postmenopausal. There's no difference at all. You get what I'm saying? So, but I just thought it was hilarious that I'm sure most people didn't know that there was a premenopausal, perimenopausal, menopausal, and a postmenopausal. So I just wanted to let the ladies know. And, you have to educate yourself and be an advocate for your health, because they don't care about us. And I'm telling you from experience, I had to be an advocate for my health for a lot of things after this menopause and after my hysterectomy surgery. So if you are not an advocate for yourself, who will be? Especially Black women, because they don't listen to us at all. So fight for what you need to know. Learn what you need to know. Learn your body, because it's going to change. Like, you can't see my eyebrows right now. See, you can see them a little bit, but I'm losing my eyebrows. Like, you know, I know they said hair loss, but I wasn't expected to be losing my eyebrows. You know what I'm saying? Like, you see how pretty my eyebrows are? My eyebrows on fleek, right? But this one is still fine. But this one right here, like, if you can see it, it's gone. Like, I was in tears. Like, you know how long it took me to grow my eyebrows like this? And now they just going away. But my eyebrows go away, but I got hair all around here, all up here. I got my own little razor thing, like zzz, because I be having hairs all down here. But I'm gonna stay focused. But I just wanted to let y'all know. So come on back, grab a snack. I hope you learned something from this video, and come on back and I will continue to educate you on menopause, the ups and downs, the highs, the lows, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and all in between. So come on back, grab a snack, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.